Wanna get high as the moon and look down and smile on you, cause we made it. I wanna get high as the moon.
Happy birthday, Pops.
And wave to you, cause we made it. Yes, we made it.
Blessed be my human father, prefer yo. My chest beats harder, man, like cardio. New Tesla on 300, see no manual, don't gas it. Better be electrical, man, run like the leader of my barrio. These bars eat treasure like Mario. Carry me on jumpers like Michael. Rest of it, I'm prouder than usual. Now that I can finally speak and walk you through his greatness, like no weaknesses or no witnesses. The greatest father of all time, who he is. The best dad, the best boss, the best man there is. A commander is, no wonder to be no under miss to anyone, but he is underneath my mama's dress. Stress, I know he gotta respect his karma's test. So even if he is below his wife, he loves to show his kids the respect he owe. And because of that, yo, my mama loves to blow a kiss. Flying hearts in rhythm is my melody. He is the man of more morality than evil acts or vanity. Truthfully, he raised me to be his better version, like a mini-me in all aspects of life as his legacy. Living a good life and friends to all, no enemies.
Ay, ang among boss, reklamo sa sakit ang ulo. Walay. Anamok marid, anang ulo ko sakit. Ay ako doon ay sa pribad sa salong ko. Panlambing takon. Di panlambing takon. Hindi ko nalimahin mo lamig. Ay nga, ako talaga binis sa tao kung ama. Kung ano mang pagkita ng ano nga himala o ano, patuto. Kayo kung bahala, obvious nyo po ako. Pagmata na ko nung ay, gimata na ko itong akong amo. Pinahid lang. Walay. Antas sawa-sawa, ala ko no. Tapos ko ko Diyos. Pinahid ko, sakit. Kaya nga ako nung amo.
Nakaramdam mo kuryente.
Nanglamig pala. Pagmata na ko nung ay, sakit ay ulo nga na nagkalamas ko ulo. Pagimata na ko na ay, panlambig ako. Ibig sabihin, dyan sa ako ng ano.
Oo.
Ito. Aduk, kasa ko itong amo to.
Hadlo.
Kasa ko to.